Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to walk around and show you this 2012 Freightliner Business Class M2 we have for sale. It's got 99,000 miles on it. It's a 10-speed manual transmission, 8.3 liter Cummins diesel. Has an IMT 5,000 pound crane, one hydraulic outrigger. It has a Miller multi-process welder on it, air pack in the welder, and it has a hydraulic tool circuit on it, lift gate. It's a one-owner truck out of California. It belonged to Union Pacific Railroad. So rust-free truck, 22.5-inch wheels, 33,000 GVWR. Truck has air brakes, air seats, driver and passenger, air ride cab. .100 engine hours. Just come back here and work the crane. Over here. Up. Side to side. Winch down. Extension out, extension in, winch up. Outrigger up. if you're interested in this truck, give me a call, 256-310-6852. You can call or text. If you're looking out of state and you want to have this truck shipped, I can ship it straight to your door. We shipped it in from California, so I can ship it anywhere you want to have it. Just a general price estimate would probably be about $2 a mile on this truck. So if you call me with a zip code, I can give you a lot better idea, but that's about average on a truck like this. If you decide to go that route, just know that we're a dispatcher. So what we'll do is post it on our board, and we'll wait for somebody to call and say, hey, I see you got this truck in Alabama going to California or New York or Wisconsin, wherever you're at. We want to take it for you. I don't have someone just sitting here at the ready to leave out as soon as you pay for it. Normally, you'll have the truck in 3 to 7 days. Sometimes it can take a little longer, and sometimes we'll get them picked up immediately. It just depends what's going that way and the weather and all that kind of good stuff. But, you know, I can't tell you in an exact second someone's going to pull up at my spot, and the exact second they're going to pull up at your spot. And, you know, I don't have a crystal ball to look into the future. But, you know, normally you'll have the truck in 3 to 7 days. So, but if you're one of those guys, you got to know that information. The only way to know it is to come pick it up yourself in person, which you're welcome to do. We're open Monday through Friday, 9 to 4. We're not open on the weekends, and if you come, you got to bring a cashier's check, do a wire transfer, or bring cash. Can't show up with a regular check. I won't be able to sell you the truck. It has to be a certified bank check. All right, with all that being said, again, this is a 12 model Freightliner, 10-speed manual, 5,000-pound IMT crane, hydraulic outrigger, welder, compressor built into one. Really nice truck, Cummins powered, so should be pretty issue free. All right, thanks for watching. 256-310-6852.